Welcome back to episode 4, and thanks for joining us on our next part of the journey, finding a home in Italy. So, once we got back to the US, we decided to research the Abruzzo region. After spending some time researching during the summer months, we came up with a plan, booked a trip, flew into Rome, and got a train ticket to cut across from the west side straight through the mountains to the east side to Pescara. In Pescara, we're picking up a car and heading to our hotel in Chieti. From Chieti, we will visit several towns. In these next episodes, you'll join us in the adventure and research as we explore which town we like, what the area looks like, what size of town makes sense to us, and what we're truly looking for when we pick a home in these towns. The plan is to look at several properties to get an idea of their size, what they look like inside, and how much work they need when they say they need renovating. We're trying to do as much research as we can to see if we like certain parts of Abruzzo better than others. But we definitely came with a plan to find something in the Abruzzo area. Some of our criteria include having a frequent bus connection, a railway connection, a good-sized grocery store, and some form of medical or doctor facilities. These are some of the things we're exploring here. This trip is mainly for research, not necessarily to find the house we want. Although, if we came across one that we really like, we wouldn't be opposed to starting the process. This trip is more of a research adventure. Because one of the things we noticed is that until you get to an area, you truly don't understand if this is somewhere you could live. You need to see if it's a fit and things are accessible even without a car. For example, when we went to Bari, we had a different idea of what the town would be like, and it ended up not being what we were looking for. And it wasn't a place we wanted to stay long term. It was a great place to visit, but it just didn't feel like home. The Abruzzo region felt much better. As you see in this beautiful train ride, the landscape is just amazing. Even in the winter, the weather was fantastic. These towns built into the mountains amazed us, and we fell in love with the area. Enjoy the train ride and see you in the next episode when we grab the car. We'll start diving into some of the details. Then we'll explore Chieti and start visiting the little towns where we're considering. And we'll give detailed feedback and show some of the places that we looked at. As always, Thank you, and see you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave comments down below with your thoughts and questions. We're always happy to answer any questions, and we love to help wherever we can. Thanks for watching.